A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You believe say right for swear? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, it's a good thing if you do it right now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 33 to verse 37. Uno know say then they tell you father this too. When uno give uno word and swear say uno go do something, uno not fi broke uno promise, but go do the sitting them when uno tell the Lord say uno go do. But at this me I tell uno say, uno not fi swear at all. Nobody swear and call pa even fi sure say when I say a true. Cause even God turn a rule from. And nobody swear and call pa earth neither. Cause earth are like one stool where God put up in foot pan. No call pan Jerusalem too. Cause that a fi God's city. And him are the biggest king. Nobody swear and call pan no self. Cause none of uno can make no even one strand of hair black or white. If a yes or no I say yes and done. If a no, then say no and done. If uno put nothing more upon that, I sake of the wicked one. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.